There's no such thing as a mechanical firearm with a literal 0% failure rate. Every gun can fail, every part can wear, every design has limits. But some revolvers have earned a reputation so strong that shooters talk about them like they simply refuse to quit. These are the revolvers that survived decades of use. Heavy recoil, harsh carry conditions, and thousands of rounds without losing the trust of the people who depended on them. And that's what this list is really about. Not fantasy, not internet hype, not perfect guns, but revolvers with legendary reliability, proven engineering, and the kind of long-term durability that made them benchmarks. So today, we're breaking down the 10 best revolvers ever made with near bulletproof reliability. The ones shooters still trust when failure is not an option. Number 10. Colt Detective. Special the Colt Detective. Special earned its reputation as one of the classic concealed carry revolvers of the 20th century. Compact frame, 6-shot cylinder, smooth double-action trigger. At a time when many small revolvers carried only 5 rounds, the Detective Special gave users 6 shots in a compact package. That alone made it stand out. It was widely carried by detectives, plainclothes officers, and civilians who wanted a reliable revolver that was easier to conceal than a full-size duty gun. Its reliability came from simplicity. No magazine, no slide, no feeding cycle. Just a well-built double-action revolver that did exactly what it was designed to do. Number 9. Smith & Wesson. Model 10. The Smith & Wesson. Model 10 is one of the most important revolvers ever made. Chambered in .38, special, built on the K-frame, and carried by police departments for generations, the Model 10 became a symbol of dependable service. It wasn't flashy, it wasn't overpowered, it wasn't complicated. That was the point. The Model 10 was simple, durable, easy to maintain, and accurate enough for serious duty use. Its fixed sights were rugged, its action was proven, its balance made it easy to shoot well. This is the revolver that built trust through boring consistency. And sometimes boring is exactly what reliability looks like. Number 8. Ruger Security 6. The Ruger Security 6 deserves more respect than it gets. This revolver was Ruger's first major double-action revolver line, and it quickly gained a reputation for toughness. Chambered in .357 Magnum, it was strong enough for duty use, outdoor carry, and serious range work. Compared to some older revolvers, the Security 6 had a robust frame and straightforward internal design. It was built like a working gun, not delicate, not overly polished, just strong. That durability made it a favorite among shooters who wanted .357 Magnum performance without worrying about wearing the gun out too quickly. Number 7. Colt Python. The Colt Python is often remembered for beauty, but it was not just a pretty revolver. The Python combined precision machining, a smooth action, excellent accuracy, and one of the most iconic barrel profiles ever made. Chambered in .357 Magnum, it became one of the most respected premium revolvers in American firearm history. Its trigger was legendary, its lockup was tight, its accuracy was outstanding. Now, the Python requires proper care. It is not a revolver you abuse carelessly and ignore forever, but when maintained correctly, it delivers a level of performance that few revolvers can match. The Python earns its place because it proved that reliability and refinement can exist in the same firearm. Number 6. Smith & Wesson Model 19. The Smith & Wesson Model 19 was designed around a serious idea. Give law enforcement officers .357 Magnum power in a revolver lighter and easier to carry than the larger end-frame guns. The result was one of the most beloved duty revolvers ever made. Built on the K-frame, the Model 19 balanced power, weight, and handling beautifully. It was easier to carry than larger Magnum revolvers, but still capable of firing .357 Magnum when needed. Many officers used .38 Special for training and .357 Magnum for duty, which made the revolver practical and versatile. Its reliability came from proven Smith & Wesson engineering, smooth action, good balance, strong real-world track record. The Model 19 remains one of the finest defensive revolvers ever created. Number 5. Ruger SP101. The Ruger SP-101 is small, but it is not weak. This compact revolver is known for being overbuilt in the best way. Chambered in the .357 Magnum in many versions, the SP-101 gives shooters a small-frame revolver with serious strength. It is heavier than ultra-light snub-nose revolvers, and that weight matters. It helps reduce recoil. It improves control. It gives the gun a more solid feel. The SP-101 is especially respected because it can handle regular use better than many lightweight compact revolvers. It is not the easiest gun to conceal compared to featherweight options, but it is far easier to trust under hard use. If you want a compact revolver that feels like it was built to survive decades, the SP-101 is one of the best choices ever made. Number 4. Smith & Wesson Model 686. The Smith & Wesson Model 686 is one of the greatest all-around revolvers ever produced. Built on the L frame and chambered in .357 Magnum, the 686 was created to handle Magnum use better than the smaller K-frame revolvers, while remaining more manageable than the larger N-frame guns. That balance is what made it legendary. Strong enough for heavy use, stable enough for accurate shooting, comfortable enough for serious range time. The stainless steel construction adds corrosion resistance, and the action quality is exactly what many shooters expect from classic Smith & Wesson revolvers. The 686 is a revolver you can use for home defense, range shooting, field carry, or collecting. It is one of those rare designs that does almost everything well. Number 3. Ruger GP100. If there is one revolver that truly deserves the phrase "built like a tank," it is the Ruger GP100. The GP100 was engineered for strength. Its solid frame, triple locking cylinder, and rugged construction make it one of the toughest .357 Magnum revolvers ever produced. This is the revolver many shooters choose when they want to fire full-power Magnum loads regularly without worrying about loosening the gun over time. It is not the lightest. It is not the most elegant, but it is incredibly durable. And for reliability, that matters. The GP100 represents Ruger's core philosophy. Make it strong, make it simple, and make it last. That is why it ranks so high. Number 2. Smith & Wesson Model 27. The Smith & Wesson Model 27 is where the .357 Magnum legend began, tracing its roots to the original registered Magnum. The Model 27 was built on the large N frame and designed to handle the power of the .357 Magnum with confidence. This was not just a service revolver. It was a premium powerhouse. The large frame absorbed recoil better than smaller guns, and the craftsmanship made it one of the finest revolvers of its era. The Model 27 combined power, accuracy, and durability in a way that helped define what a serious Magnum revolver should be. Its reliability comes from overbuilt strength and classic Smith & Wesson quality. This is not just a revolver, it is a piece of history that still performs. Number 1. Ruger Redhawk. At number 1, we have the Ruger Redhawk. If the question is long-term durability, brute strength, and near-legendary reliability, the Redhawk is almost impossible to ignore. Built for powerful cartridges like .44 Magnum, the Redhawk was designed to handle serious pressure and repeated heavy use. Its frame is massive, its cylinder is strong, its lockwork is rugged. This is not a delicate revolver. It is a survival tool, hunting sidearm, field revolver, and heavy-duty powerhouse all in one. The Redhawk earns the top spot because it represents what failure-resistant revolver engineering looks like. Simple enough to trust, strong enough to endure, heavy enough to control serious recoil. It is the kind of revolver that feels like it could outlast its owner, and that is exactly why it belongs at number 1. No revolver has a true 0% failure rate. Metal wears, springs weaken, parts can break, but some revolvers come closer to legendary dependability than others. The Colt Detective Special proved compact revolvers could be serious tools. The Smith & Wesson Model 10 became a duty icon. The Ruger Security 6 and GP100 built reputations on toughness. The Colt Python showed what precision revolver craftsmanship could look like. The Smith & Wesson 686 and Model 27 became Magnum benchmarks, and the Ruger Red Hawk stands as one of the strongest revolvers ever made. These guns earned trust the hard way, not through marketing, not through trends, but through decades of real-world performance. And that's why revolvers still matter. Because when built right, a revolver doesn't need to be modern to be trusted. It just needs to work. And these are the revolvers that proved they do.